How much clutter can a gutter clutter when the gutter clutter is allowed to clutter the gutter?
Gutty dance. I think we got the gutty clutty dance over here. Yep, there he goes. Got that gutter clutter dance. Oh, I guess he's gonna be taking a bath today. Oh. Just oh, yeah, look at this shit. What the fuck is that? Exaggerate much, bud? Look at him. What the fuck's he doing? Yeah, I guess so.
Water. Wants people to feel sorry for him.
And oh my god, now we got a community fucking bath thing over here. Look at this shit. What in the fuck? We got all these fucking people taking baths. Right here by Lynn's. Fucking got a bath going on. The whole community bath. That is fucking insane. Fucking gutter clutter motherfuckers. Got the fucking gutter clutter here where you come right out. And you got them over there. And then you got them over here. Fucking taking baths. That's just fucking disgusting. I mean, come on, people. What is wrong with these motherfuckers? Just trashing the joint. Fucking gutter clutter. And we got the gutter clutter at night. Right there going. This is downtown Phoenix. Right, here's
This is Madison and 14th Avenue.
here's Gutter Clutterville. Call the zone at night. Oh my gosh.
It's pretty quiet.
It's like ominous. What the? Oh my god. Very ominous. Ominous. Wow. I thought there'd be all kinds of people fucking.
Turn right. Fucking?
No, just out in the streets.
Oh.
Fucking. That's funny.
Just remember during fucking people got fucking family, so they got fucking bike there.
Huh?
Bike, more bikes. What's up with you? What's up with you, girl? Get your ass out of here. Is that your car? Fucking you live on the fucking Scottsdale side of town. Get the fuck home.
What's fuck man doing?
Go around with it.
What's this person
Yeah,
doing?
it's 2,000 pounds worth of weed.
Crazy. Alright, this is where they go clean up. Oh, look, they're already starting up.
They're out here fucking. We're gonna want to go around these fucking bags because they're over here fucking
Dealing.
chicken. What? What's going on?
We done? I'm gonna go this way.
Go right. Alright, this is where it gets crazy, dude. This is where it's fucking. You're hearing down. You guys put notes on this. Yeah. Crazy ass
I always worried.
down here.
Oh, that's close. Yeah, I had lights like that. But they, I
They
never.
don't belong down here, fucking like we don't. Nice wheels, man.
Here they are. There it is. Look at that. Pack out what you pack in! Alright, look at this. This is about a week and a half later. That fucking cart is still sitting there. That's crazy. Hopefully I'll be able to get the video of it just before this one. This is the shit we gotta deal with. Just fucking garbage. Fucking clutter, motherfucker. Holy crap, look at this. Yeah, motorcycle. They're just all over. You got graffiti over there by QT. We're gonna have showing here in a little bit, maybe. Look at this guy over here pissing. That guy over there is pissing.
Really?
Some dumb. It's moving day today. Look at that. Look at that fucking fucking clusterfuck. Look at that. I tell you, use crippled people to make you feel sorry for them. I don't feel a bit sorry for you. You know, here,
I think that's rocking.
there's more. Gutter clutter. Oh, we got the fucking gutter right there. Gutter clutter, gutter clutter.
Drum, dude.
Whoa,
Dude,
dude,
drum kit, dude.
what the hell? Look at the gutter clutter over there. Right there, on the fucking corner. Gutter corner. Now see, this is the problem with the gutter clutter. They clutter the gutter. That's their remnants. Fucking lame asses. They're supposed to pack out what they pack in. They're right there too. Yep, they moved in over here. Look at this.
that.
Yeah. They moved in over here. Look at that. That's been there for a few days.
That's gotta be.
Okay, we're on 64th and Glen Rosa. And look at this. It's shit in the fucking street. And there's a fucking shopping cart with a bunch of clothes in it. We just passed a shopping cart where it was empty. There's that. So that's Glen Rosa. There's another shopping cart. So then I can quarter mile, eighth of a mile down. Look at all those beer bottles and shit. Holy fuck. Look at this fucking gutter clutter. They're just hanging out at somebody's fucking house. Wow. Look at that. Look at this shit. This is 67th and Camelback. Fucking girl of clutter. Holy crap. There's the best option. Oh, you gutter clutter. Look at that. Pack out what you pack in. Oh, look at the gutter clutter right here. I might buy the fucking back of the store here. Holy fuck, look at this shit. Holy moly. What the fuck? That is crazy. Just right here in front of the fucking Family Dollar. Look at that. Well, bikes too. Yeah, I'm talking about this right here. Look at that fucking shit. Got a whole train going on. Here's all the fucking gutter clutter right here. Fucking gutter clutter. You got the gutter clutter. Right there. The gutter clutter. It's actually behind us. I missed it, but I get that at least. More gutter clutter over here, over here, over here. Look at the gutter clutter. Clutter in the gutters. There's the gutter clutter by the cemetery. Guess they're waiting for their turn to get put in there, huh? They're still fucking crazy right here. Yeah, there's like tons of bikes. They haven't cleaned it up down there though. That's just as bad. Yeah, they're just squeezing them in and all they're doing. Fuck off. Right here.
God, they're living in that trash.
Oh, fuck. I want that fucking bike.
Look at this shit.
Look at that big tent. That's nice.
See, I think, what's this fuck not doing? And this weirdo? Oh, he's just throwing shit around, throwing his arms around, flailing like a flailer. Well, they're trying to catch the pigeons, huh?
Maybe. Bite their heads off.
And here's the cooling off bus. The bus they brought down here.
Why the fuck don't you just fucking use it, man?
Field or something. Let's have a free for all. Oh, look at this. This is insane. Wild. Wild. Yep. They're still down here. Still over there. That guy. Oh, we went by here, huh?
Yeah, we had passed on through.
Okay, well, this is the other direction. We done? I'm gonna turn down here. Yeah, this looks pretty bad right here. She keeps saying fuck.
These fucking can't believe it, dude. It's fucking insane.
Oh, look at this right here. Just belongings, trash, gutter, clutter. The epitome of the goody flitty.
That,
Oh, look at there we go. Gutter clutter. I got the gutter clutter. Look at that shit. Fucking gutter clutter at the QT. Fuck, there's gutter. There's a little bit of gutter clutter right here. Usually it's packed. 67th and Camelback. Yeah, we did get that this morning, but